Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Selle. I am a working mom of 1 kid and 2 crazy dogs. I would love to have you back here and join my YouTube family, so please consider subscribing. I upload new videos every single week about fashion, lifestyle, and cleaning. In today's video, I will show you a very easy lunch or dinner recipe and my laundry routine. I hope you find this motivating and helpful, and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Great, the water is boiling, so now it's time to cook my pasta. For our dinner tonight, I'm gonna be making a super easy pasta salad recipe and grilled blackened chicken. I did put canola oil and salt in my water when I boil it, and then I cook 16 ounces of pasta. So now that my pasta is cooked and ready, I'm just gonna drain the water and let this cool down, so then I can put the dressing once it's cold. So since I'm still waiting for my pasta to cool down, I'm gonna start sorting my laundry so I can already start it.
Sorry, it's DJ.
So when I do my laundry, I like to separate them by color. How do you guys do your laundry? Do you separate it by color? Do you separate it by fabric? I would like to know, so please leave me a comment down below because I would like to get some tips from you guys.
You can get some.
I only do my laundry once a week, so that's why they get piled up like this. If you're thinking that's a whole lot of laundry, and yes, it is. I try to avoid doing laundry because I don't like folding clothes. I would rather scrub the toilet, to be honest with you. When I'm done sorting my laundry, I put them back in the basket in the order of which I'm gonna wash first on the top. Here I'm just putting away all these clean rugs that I washed from last night and folding all these cleaning cloths.
Yes.
I don't normally put our clothes in the dryer, especially my sons. I hang them because I find that it shrinks a lot, so I don't want to be buying new clothes every month. Here I'm just hanging everything, and after that I'm gonna put another load and we'll go start with the pasta salad. If you guys are interested with this recipe, I will put all the ingredients in the description box below. So here I'm just putting like a quarter tub of this mayonnaise in my bowl. Put some salt, pepper, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, paprika, grated parmesan, and apple cider vinegar. I just put a tiny bit amount of the apple cider vinegar, and then we're gonna whisk it and we're gonna try it, see if it's enough salt and if it's enough spices. And once you're satisfied with the taste, then you can put it in your salad together with the spinach and more grated parmesan. Normally I would put like roasted red peppers in this, but to the grocery store where I went, they don't have it. Like, I couldn't find it, so that's why I didn't. But it's really good with the roasted red peppers, so if you guys want to try this recipe, you should totally add it. So after I'm done making the pasta, I just set it aside, put it in the refrigerator because I would prefer to serve it cold because it's so much better that way. And then here I'm just cutting these chickens in half because when I bought them, it's pretty big. So just getting it ready to season, and I put blackened seasoning, and I normally add cayenne pepper on my piece because I like mine spicy, but my husband and my son, they don't like spicy, so I just put a little bit on each of their chicken. And this one that I'm cutting right now, these are not included to what I'm gonna be cooking today. These are extra because I bought a big package of this. So these ones I'm just cutting it in smaller pieces so I can use this for a different day. I normally would fry this. We love fried chicken breast here, so that's what I'm gonna do for this one for next time. I already preheat my grill even before I cut my chicken so that it's nice and ready by the time I need it. And here I'm just preheating my oven to 350 degrees so that when I take out the chicken, it's ready, which is about right now. It took me like 10 minutes to grill this chicken. And then since it's not cooked all the way, I'm gonna put it in the oven to bake it to cook the internal of the chicken. I'm adding more seasoning because like I said, I like mine spicy. I'm gonna cook this for 20 minutes for 350 degrees. I did not cook my chicken all the way in the grill because they tend to dry up, so I only grill it just to get that grill marks effect. So since I'm still waiting for the chicken to get cooked before we can eat dinner, I started to fold my clothes already. Chicken is done, so it's dinner time. I'm cutting this chicken up for my son, and I'll put a little bit of pasta on his plate. The next one will be mine. So I like my chicken cut also so that it's easy to eat it, but I'll put a little bit more pasta on mine because I love this pasta. After we eat dinner, I'm just gonna continue to do the laundry, and then I'll be cleaning up a little bit in the kitchen and continue to fold a whole lot more of clothes. Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.
Sorry ass DJ. I am watching a really good cleaning video here so I can get motivated while I'm doing this.
You can get some.
Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.
If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and give me a big thumbs up if you like this and you enjoyed it. And I will see you on my next one. Bye!